One of the most important elements of playground planning is safety. Whatever equipment you use, safety and surfacing go hand in hand. This video will explain the crucial concept of playground fall height and shows you how to measure it. Falls account for 70% of playground injuries. While falls happen on the playground, the challenge is to reduce serious injury. If you have a commercial grade playground, you must follow safety requirements. Let's start with the fall zone. We are here with Laura, our playground specialist. Can you explain to us what a fall zone is?
Absolutely. So a fall zone is the amount of room that's required for children to play safely around a structure. Generally speaking, it's roughly 6 feet in every direction from where the structure hits the ground. So from up here, you would actually base your use zone or your fall zone off of where these slides touch the ground. For these particular slides, you would want it to be 6 feet out. It can vary depending on how high the slide is. Again, every component, if you look out there, will have its own particular use zone or fall zone. Anything that has any kind of elevation will require a fall zone.
Now it's time to take out the tape measure to get fall height, also known as critical fall height. Laura, what is critical fall height?
Critical fall height is the measurement from the tallest platform of a structure all the way down to the surfacing. It's the highest point at which a child could fall onto the surface.
I see you brought your tape measure. Can we measure it out?
Absolutely.
So I take this, do I measure at this platform right here?
Absolutely. We're going to take it all the way down to the ground. So in the case of this structure, we measured that deck to be 4 feet 10 inches high. We are going to round that up to 5 foot to calculate the critical fall height. Every single time with every measurement, you should round up to the nearest foot.
Once you've determined fall zones and fall height, the other crucial safety factor is your choice of surfacing materials in sufficient depths. Whether it's wood fiber mulch, rubber tiles, or poured-in-place surfacing, you can find more information and videos on our website, AAAstateofplay.com.